Hello everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
Today we are making a recipe for Italian Christmas jewels. My father was Italian and my mother was Polish. One of her best friends who lived just a few houses away was Italian. She lived to 99 years old. They used to love to exchange recipes, especially around holiday time. This is one of the recipes that my mom got from her friend. My mom used to make many different types of Christmas cookies every year to give to people as gifts. She made these often because they are so easy to make and also very delicious. Since Grandpa likes to bake, he is going to show you how to make them.
First thing we have to do is sift together our dry ingredients of 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Take my flour from my bowl that I measured out 3 cups. Start sifting it. Put our baking powder and salt in with it to sift it together. Got our dry ingredients sifted together. Now we're going to mix in our wet ingredients. We have 4 eggs, half a cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we've got a 1/4 cup of sugar that we have to add to this. Now we got to mix it all up. I've mixed the dough up all together. Now I'm going to do a little kneading of it until it's soft and workable. A few times, press it around before we start making little balls that are about 1.5 inches in diameter. That looks good. Got to get my cookie tray with parchment paper on it to put the cookies on. Take a little scoop out of it. Roll the ball. There's one. There's 2. I finished rolling out my first batch of cookies. Now I'm going to put them in my oven at 350 degrees and bake them for 15 minutes or until they're lightly brown. Here's all my cookies come out of the oven. I got a total of 23 of them. Now we have to let them cool, and while they're cooling we'll be making the icing. We have 2 cups of confectionery sugar, half a teaspoon of almond extract, and we're going to be using a little bit of water at a time to get the right consistency of our icing. First we put the confectionery sugar in a bowl, add our almond extract, half a teaspoon, and we'll start off with a tablespoon of water. Start mixing it in. I thought this whisk would help out, but it didn't, so I gotta get a fork. Gotta add some more water. And we'll add two tablespoons of water here. That's a total of 3 so far. Now we're going to start icing our cookies. We have some red sprinkles. We have some green sprinkles. And we have a multicolored sprinkles. First, take our cookie and dip it into the icing. Put it on our cooling rack with a cookie tray underneath to catch the sprinkles that fall off. So we sprinkle one here. That's how that came out. Make this guy green. Another cookie. And here's our 3 different colors. Here's all my Italian cookies, sprinkles on them, red, green, and multicolored, all 23 of them.
How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. These cookies are a little bit on the dry side. The almond flavor isn't quite there, so next time I make these, I'm going to have to add more almond flavor to it. My mother-in-law made them better than what I made them. This is my first try at it, but that's the only thing I see. I got to add more almond extract into the ingredient. So I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make these cookies.